Hey, what's up guys? It's JL. Welcome to JL Talks. Now in this video, I'm going to give you guys some of the best apps that you guys should have on your phone if you're looking to make money easy. Here goes the first one.
So the first app that we're going to be talking about is called Coinout. So with this app, it's pretty cool. It's very simple. All you do is just take receipts, take a picture of them, and you earn. So in this part right here, I'm clicking into the Walmart app. So it's connecting to my Walmart app, and it's letting me know that I'm able to be earning rewards from anything I purchased through the Walmart app. But primarily the way I earned is just taking pictures of receipts. So I'm going to go into the badges here just to show you guys all the other stuff that's available. As you can see, there's a bunch of different options. H&R Block, Robinhood. A lot of these apps are also free to join. The way Coinout makes money through these apps is that they actually get a referral bonus. So when you sign up for free, they actually get rewarded. And then if you, in the future, if you purchase a paid version of that app, then they also get rewarded again. So let me backtrack here, and let me click right here. This is just a description. All you guys need to do is download the Coinout app, and you can look for yourself right here. Walmart, Hotels.com, Home Depot, Groupon, Macy's. So as you can see, there's a lot of options here. All this does is redirects you to these websites. So since they're redirecting you to these websites, they're getting commission for that. So a lot of this stuff seems free, and it is free, but they are getting money because they're referring you to these other platforms. So they provide the platform that you land on, and all they're doing is outsourcing all these other different companies and different stuff. So this part here, I'm going to show you guys how the receipt thing works. This is how I primarily earn my money from it. Now you're not going to go rich or anything off this. This is just good side money. And since you already had the receipt, instead of just tossing it out in the trash, why not collect some money? This example here is kind of bad. This is the least amount. Well, I've gotten 1 cent before, but it's very random in rewards. So sometimes you'll get 1 cent, sometimes you'll get 15 cents for a receipt, but there's no really way to tell how much you can earn per receipt. It's kind of just randomized. So the more receipts that you do, the better. And they do cap you. I think it's 6 receipts or 7 receipts a day, and then it displays a message saying thank you for taking a picture of your receipts, return tomorrow, blah blah blah. So it's a pretty simple app to use. I'm gonna take you guys to my earnings page. I've cashed out a couple times through this app. So you can either cash out with a gift card, through direct bank, or through PayPal. And as you can see here, these are all the other ones that I've done. I haven't done it in a while, so it does get tiresome. I had about 4 or 5 apps at a time that did the same thing. I'll produce videos in the future on those other apps, but this is one of the more easier ones. This also has a frequently asked questions page. Just some of the questions that you might have, they might be in this section. So it's good to go through this. That way, if you have any questions that come up, they probably have been asked by someone else before. So there you go. So in this next one is very, very similar to this app. This app is more passive. You literally don't have to do anything, no picture taking or anything like that. This app is called Dosh. So the way this app works is that you connect a certain amount of cards. You connect them to the app, and depending on where you use these cards, for example, Costco here, if you purchase a Costco membership, you get cash back. Also, if you use your card at certain particular restaurants or like a Dunkin' Donuts, for example, you also get cash back. I'm going to show you guys the screen where most of my purchases are Dunkin' Donuts. As you guys can tell, I love Dunkin' Donuts. And that was about 2 or 3% at the time. So occasionally Dunkin' Donuts will make an appearance here and there. As you can see here, there's a map with a bunch of different stores that you can earn cash back from. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to have your card on the app. So as you can see here, the Cooper Tisserie, you can earn cash back, 5%. There is a limit on these places, but they're very high. So realistically, you probably won't hit the limit unless you go every single day. Then that's a little different. But as you can see, you can just search here. It's just places that you can stay at. Some of these are crazy expensive. I haven't used this part of the app because I actually have a friend that works for a particular hotel. So if I ever need a hotel, he has a friends and family discount. So I'm kind of lucky on that. But if you don't have that luxury, or if you don't have a person or friend that works for a hotel, you can go on here, and these are pretty good deals here. You can save some money on this. Now this is what I've earned. I haven't cashed out in a while. I haven't been using the app. But this right here, as you can see, almost all Dunkin' Donuts. So, I've cashed out. It says lifetime $94. So this isn't like a fake app or anything like that. Like, you can download it, use my link. I do get credit for that. So as you can see, another one here near my area is a Tokyo Japanese Steakhouse. I get 5% if I ever go here. I actually went to that restaurant one time and didn't know it was on the Dosh app, and then I got a random notification saying I got cash back. So that was pretty nice there. As you can see here, this is my referral link. Now it says $5 now, but sometimes you can earn more in different parts of the year, primarily around Christmas time. The bonus is around like $15 per referral, so that's pretty cool right there too. But that's Dosh, and that's pretty much how Dosh works. It's pretty simple, nothing too complex there. So guys, this last one is called Pi, P-E-I. This one is another super passive one. Doesn't earn you too much, but it's pretty cool the way it works. As you can see here, these are all the places I've been to: CVS, Dunkin's, Starbucks. I think Walgreens is in there too. But they give you a couple cents back. I think it's 1% cash back. So obviously, if you make a huge purchase, you get a lot more back. These are the cards that I've connected to it, so I literally don't have to do anything. I do have to sometimes be aware of the boost cashback thing that actually boosts it from 1 to like 3%. And it's like once a week where you can do that. As you can see here too, you can go on any of these as well, and it'll connect you to the website. And if you buy anything on these, you also get cash back through there. So these are the online deals. This is how much I've earned so far. This one is very, very passive. You don't earn too much, but I mean, it's pretty much running on autopilot. It's connected to your cards. All you have to do is just use it like you normally do, and you're literally good. These funds are what you can do with these funds. You can actually save for some small side stuff, or maybe like save up for shoes or save up for clothing or whatever. It's just side money. None of these apps you can live off of. This is just nice side money. So you can see here, these are 3 ways you can cash out: PayPal, Bitcoin, and a gift card of your choosing. I think the gift cards are Amazon, and I forget the other ones. But they have a couple options if you're interested for that one. So that's how that works. Now to go back here. So each point is worth 1 cent. So as you can see here, I have 671 points. That equates to $6.71. That's Pi there. If any of these apps interested you, I have the links in the description below. Feel free to click on it, sign up, and you will be golden. If you have any questions, guys, just comment below, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. And anyways, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.